Unit 3. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. 2-letter, 3-letter and 4-letter words. Is, he, at, of, in, to, no, on, it, by, be, as, up, go, an, van, but, man, who, and, few, ago, the, was, him, joy, saw, fly, did, pin, all, way, had, not, met, any, she, you, for, his, own, cow, dog, one, day, lay, out, old, man, who, face, goes, many, told, form, work, soon, same, fear, seen, also, away, help, long, where, part, time, even, fill, here, no, into, they, only, grew, late, hair, game, deep, ice. Thank you, children.